So iOS 26.5.2 has just came out, and you might be wondering how it holds up on the iPhone 14. Now, keep in mind, within the iPhone 14, this is going to be one of those types of devices that is going to be able to give you still a good experience. It's not a slow phone or anything like that. But the thing to keep in mind here is that this is basically a bug fix and improvement update. So all it's doing is just fixing and addressing those types of bugs that you may have had on previous versions. There was one particular bug that was kind of big for the most part, and that was basically the bug in which there was like a lot of exploits, a lot of web exploits that was kind of going on here. And Apple has gone through and they kind of fixed this, which is good. But if you have an older version of an iPhone 14, if you have an iPhone 14 that's on an older version, you might want to consider updating your version of software, because that might end up giving you a significantly better experience, and it's going to be a much more safer experience at that. So in terms of updates, that is pretty much one of the big things I'd recommend doing here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.